Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make reservation without credit card on booking.com. So basically what you're going to do, first of all, just go ahead and enter, let's say for example, I'm going to just, search for a location. Let's say for example, Barcelona, right? And after I type Barcelona, I'm going to just go ahead right here and check their, check their reservation basically, right? And in there, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just select any reservation or hotels there, and you can narrow it down, to the free Wi-Fi or whatever, and just go ahead and select, for example, this, ME Barcelona, right? It's gonna open up a new page for me, and what you're gonna do in that page, basically, you gotta just go ahead and let me just scroll a little bit down, and I'm gonna just go ahead and into reserve, right? And by clicking reserve, let me just, before I do anything, basically, I'm gonna see right here, it says, if you scroll a little bit down, you'll be able to see that there isn't here, it says no prepayment needed, right? Pay at the property. So basically, you're gonna be able to book for that hotel without needing to prepay it. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.